This is a tutorial from the librarians at Lone Star College. The purpose of this video is to teach users how to use the database SciTech Premium Collection. The SciTech Premium Collection is a database of scholarly, trade, and engineering journals, magazines, and technical reports. To search, click on Advanced Search. Here's the Advanced Search form. As an example, let's search for information about the use of submersible pumps in the petroleum extraction industry. Type submersible pump into the first line of the search form. Then type petroleum into the second line. Now limit your search results to full-text articles by checking off the box marked Full Text. In a science and technology field, currency can be very important. If a source of information is several years old, or in some cases even a year old, that information can be obsolete. You can use the pull-down menu for publication date to select a date range. For our example, let's select the past 3 years. Now click on Search. Here are the search results. The database has returned 377 articles. The first article appears to be relevant, as it describes a new invention related to submersible pumps used in petroleum extraction. Click on the title to read it. Here's the full text of the article. To download the article as a PDF file, click on Save as PDF. To email the article to yourself, click on Email. To print the article, click on Print, and then follow the instructions.